Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add music in Instagram Notes. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you simply need to search for the Instagram and you need to update Instagram application. As you can see that my Instagram is up to date, then you simply need to click on open and then you simply need to click on the messenger icon in the top right, and here you need to click on the plus icon on the node, and in the bottom you will see a music icon. Click on that and you can add any music that you want and click on the tick mark, and then you need to click on share on the top right. So this is the process by which you can add music to Instagram Notes. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.